Hello creative companion, I'm Cat White. You need a pencil, watercolor paper, a rubber, washi tape, a palette, watercolors, water and some brushes. First we fix the paper with the washi tape on the table. We start with a flat bow for the head. Secondly, you sketch a flat bow to the bottom of the paper. As a next step, you draw a straight line for the beak and a curve inside the head. Then you draw the lower bow of the beak. A line under the beak is following. Then we draw the wing. Another line for the body. Because the kingfisher is sitting on some wood, we now sketch the wood. Now the legs are following. Then we sketch the eye. Because the kingfisher is a very colorful bird, we separate the different plumage parts. As a last step, we sketch the shadow of the kingfisher on the wood. So, this is the finished sketch. As usual, we erase the sketch with a rubber. First, we are mixing dark blue and black together for coloring the eye. We use the same colors for the beak, but attention, leave white gaps in it. Also, with the same color, we mark the end of the wing and some parts of the head. Then we use some Van Dyke brown and color the area around the eye. As a next step, we mix ochre and flesh rosa. When you draw the plumage, make sure that you draw thin lines with your brush to get the plumage structure. Now we use the dark blue for the shadows. To give the white part some plumage structure, we also use that color. For the feet, you use the Van Dyke brown with a lot of water. Now we use the turquoise. Then we use some brown for coloring the wood. With some darker color, we give the wood some structure and draw the shadow of the kingfisher. Finally, let the kingfisher dry and I tell you some fun facts about them. They are very popular in New Zealand and you find them in the whole country. They could live in forests, near rivers or lakes, on farmland and on rocky coasts. They can dive between 2 centimeters to 1 meter for catching their food. They mostly eat little animals, for example fishes and insects. So, now it's time for the background. First we use clean water and water the background. Then we mix some dark green with orange. If you want, you can choose another color for your background. Feel free! This is a finished kingfisher. I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay creative and I see you next time. Bye!